Hello traders, welcome to the daily technical forex report for the 16th of November. My name is Andrei Shanitsky. I am a technical analyst at rforex.com, and traditionally we start our forecast with the Euro-USD currency pair. The price tested the level of support, the lower limit of the local range 1.1267, but failed to break it down and then corrected upwards. Now the pair is located in the middle of the local range between this mark and the previous level of resistance 1.1425. Therefore, we can regard new positions with this instrument only after the sure and abrupt exit of the price from this consolidation. Moreover, the breakout movement must be supported by the large volume, which will ensure us against a fake breakout and will be a more precise signal for entering the market. Until that, while the price is located within this consolidation, we should skip this instrument from our trading plan. The pound. The price demonstrated a huge fall supported by the large volume, which is a great bearish signal, and besides it, the pair broke down the previous level of support, which only enhances its importance. So given all these factors, we should prefer scenario for opening short positions. We can enter the market after the continuation of the drop and the confident breakdown of the new level of support. It's 1.2742. The silk of the pair must be supported by the large volume, so here we can open sales. A stop loss should be located overhead the breakdown volume bar, and a potential of the deal is more than 120 pips. So with the pound, sales after the confident breakdown of the new level of support. The yen. The price broke down the previous level of support, but after the formation of the new volume level 113.10 corrected upwards. Nevertheless, the price has already resumed falling and now is located a little bit above this level. So that's why we can consider a scenario for its breakdown, which will be a great bearish signal. The fall of the price must be abrupt and supported by the large volume, which will ensure us against a false breakdown. A stop loss should be placed above the breakdown volume bar, and a potential of the deal is around 80 pips. So with the yen, short positions after the sure breakdown of the level of support. The Canadian dollar. The price went on adjusting and now is trading in the middle of the local range between two strong levels. The first one is the level of support 1.3055. The second one is the resistance 1.3258. Hence, the best solution with this instrument is just to wait for the exit of the price from this range. The breakout movement must be confident, keen, and supported by the large volume, which will ensure us against a fake breakout and will be a more reliable signal for entering the market. Until that, while the price is located within this consolidation, we should skip this instrument from our trading plan. The Australian dollar. The price tested the level of resistance, the local maximum 0.7296, but couldn't break it out and now is located a little bit below this level. That's why we can ponder a scenario of its breakout, which will be a great bullish signal and will allow us to open long positions. So here we can open purchases. The breakout movement must be supported by the large volume, which will be a more accurate signal for entering the market. A stop loss should be located under the breakout volume bar, and a potential of the deal is more than 80 pips. So with the Australian dollar, long positions after the confident breakout of the level of resistance. Our last instrument for today is gold. The price carried on growing and broke out the previous level of resistance, which is a good bullish signal. Moreover, the rise of the pair was supported by the increased volume. We also should point out the new support level 1208.00. So considering all these factors, we should give advantage to long positions, but we can enter the market after smooth downward correction of the price in order to obtain a more profitable entry point. A stop loss should be placed a little bit below the level of support, and a potential of the deal is around 130 pips. So with gold, long positions after smooth downward correction of the price. Let's take a look at the sentiment of the market. This indicator totally affirms our scenarios with the pound and with the Australian dollar, which is a good additional signal. The opposite situation with the yen and gold, that's why we should be more careful. As with the euro and the Canadian dollar, we need to wait for a sure exit of prices from ranges, and only after that we can regard new positions. For today it's all. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this forecast will be useful for you. Subscribe to our channel to stay in touch with the latest researches. Take care. Bye bye.